Hello everyone, my name is Steven, and today I'm going to be talking about the Nike React Vision. So before anything else, I would like to ask you guys to please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification button. So now that one is out of the way, let's talk about the Nike React Vision. So this shoe was released early this year, February. It's widely available in many colorways. You can get it from Nike, Amazon, and some other footwear stores out there. So this honeycomb colorway is like what many people like the most, from all the other colorways are available. So it's a quite good looking colorways. Anyway, I'm going to make this video very short because I need to return this shoe today. I got it a few days ago, so I've got to return it today. Anyway, so if I'm going to talk about a shoe like this, I need to talk about all the features of it and what makes it what it is. But I don't think I'll be able to cover everything in this very short video. Anyway, the first thing I need to talk about is the upper of the shoe. As you can see, it's quite good looking on the upper. You see it comes with mesh upper and a very big mesh on the upper. So, and you've got this leather overlay here, the eye stay, and some I think suede overlay on top. This kind of yellow overlay on this one and this one as well. So it has got all those layers of overlay on the upper there. I don't know what all those things are doing there. As I just think they are just there for stylish purpose, so or design purpose. I think that's why that's their purpose there. Okay, another thing I need to talk about is the shoelace. In some shoes you say flat shoelace, but this one comes with a rope-like shoelace, like this. But I think it's easier, to when you're trying to lace your shoe, it's easier with this rope-like shoelace. So that is good there. Another thing is this tongue. This how do I call it? Is it plush? It's very wet padded tongue here. So I think that's one good thing. One of the good things about this shoe is feel very comfortable when you have this shoe on. On your instep, the tongue doesn't rub much like some other shoe that don't have a wet padded tongue. So some people feel some blister on their instep, but this one I think it should be okay, for you. But what I'm worrying about is this the collar area here. You see, there's nothing like padding or cushion on the collar there. It's just flat collar. I think if you don't wear sock, I don't think you will feel. Some people, I don't think they will feel okay with that. But yeah, I don't think I can give this collar area any positive thing because it's just flat, no cushion at all there. So that's one of the things I don't like about the shoe. You've got this one here, this DMSX logo. Basically, this shoe is part of Nike DMS X line of shoes. So that's why the logo is there basically. And if you come to the here, you see a pull tab here with just some nice looking pull tab, just to enable easy wearability. And you've got this overlay here. That's just another stylish design to make that shoe look aesthetically good. Yeah. So another thing is this this swoosh logo on the lateral and the middle here. They look like a sketch, sketch logo, but they're not sketch, I think. But they look great. They look great there. The insole is not removable, and it's just a molded insole. And the inner part of the shoe, no much cushion there, to be honest. And so if you come to the heel here, you see this heel cup that hug the heel area here. It's just there to offer some structural integrity to this, so just to support the back of your heel. There, I think that's what this one is for. That is the purpose of this one there. And you've got this Nike Reacts written on it there. And if you look closely, you see this gum-like material just to mold that thing, to the heel area there. Yeah, I think that is it about the upper. So next area I'm going to be concerned with is the midsole, the sole area basically. So this is React the React technology that is used in the midsole of the shoe. So it's the people that have used a Nike React shoe before, probably know how comfortable the technology is. It's quite comfortable, and it's not that soft or too rigid, but I just think it's just kind of standard. It offers some kind of standard comfort. Yeah, basically the midsole is made of React technology basically, and on the outsole you see it's just some rubber pods, and it's basically rubber also, and you've got React technology there as well. So if you wear this shoe, it feels comfortable. It's a new shoe for me. I don't know if I use it for a long period of time. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but when I had this shoe on, it was quite okay, quite comfortable. But one of the things I hate about it is this just no cushioned collar area. It's an off for me. And yeah, I think that's all I want to say about this shoe. I've got this shoe reviewed on my website as well. You can check it out, and also I've done the unboxing video of it. Check that one out as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Also, if you've got anything to say, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. Like this video, share it, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a lovely day, and goodbye.